Well, this is my experience. And today's experience is all about me testing out the Magnum new game show for the first time. It's called The Way You Know About Dancehall. So, we have it on the phone now. We're going to check it out. I pre it. You see me? Yo! I just scroll through and I book up that game where Magnum launch. Called What You Know About Dancehall. Well, I don't know if you hear about it yet, but I see it and I pre it. I try after it, you know. It's hosted on Magnum Hub TV. So yeah, just log on and check it out. I try it out now. Trippple X host the thing, you know. Trippple X, big up yourself. I go try it out now. Ready? Yeah. Before I start. Down there easy, man. Now the girls them sugar. Hold on it. Boom. Tiki. Nannyville native. Cha-cha boy. No must ding dong. Tiki. Yo, we at them. Blue Mountain, entire world. Coffee, the artist is Coffee. Trippple X, come on, man. Right again. Yo. Elephant Man lyrics. Pon the river. Pon the bank. Come on. Bring up the answer and let me see what I go on. Process ATM machine. Yeah, man, bank. Pon the bank. Yo. Clean slate. Well, you know, so the 9 years, I'm going to take out the Bluetooth. Yeah, man, you don't need for hear what I go on. Alright, over there. So, Trippple X, so you freeze? Jano? Never start over. After me go on so good. Alright, we want to hear it. Yeah, because we never hear it. See it there now?
Yo! Welcome to Magnum's What You Know About Dancehall. You know, it's a digital game, right? Where you have to test your dancehall knowledge and you get a chance to win prizes. But it's simple, well simple. A 3-round. And all you have to do is complete the 3-round and question them without getting 3 questions wrong. But if you get 3 questions wrong, you know you have to just take for yourself. But you still can come back and play again. It's simple as that. So you ready to show me how much you know about dancehall? Come here, man. We could do this.
I hope this is easy like the first one. Sure.
No matter first. At the easy round, this is the one where you can just walk round and lock all your eye and still complete. So here what me now. Make we start that one here quick. Ready? This dancer invented the dance. Out and bad. Out and bad.
No bogle. Correct.
Which recording artist, also a Rastafarian, sings a song proclaiming that he will not become mentally ill over any female. Any at all.
John, how would this again?
Any at all. Because a boy like me, me not mad. No.
Okay.
Me not mad over. No girl.
Now the honorable Munga honorable.
What dancehall selector sang the hit song Dirty Wine? He's up in the club dancing rubber dub and a girl came to wind up on him. The entire world world knows this product from the Blue Mountain.
Yeah.
But it's also the name of the same person that called for blessing to fall.
Coffee.
On the right hand.
Coffee.
What's the name of this?
Straightforward.
Alright. Puff your chest. Beat your chest, you go on with things. Here what? Round 2. Make us see if you still know.
Round few.
Why God I never tell no lie when him say nothing like when pocket full of cash. But when the artist jump in and say, it's a celebration every time we link up, yeah, that was a fact too. What dancehall artist actually sang that verse?
Go so. Yeah. We get a wrong man.
Man's song, dude. This young lady proclaimed that she wanted a man with the wickedness. She wanted 1, 2, 3 hour. She wanted a man who can twist her. One if a stipulation she not talk about the man that she wants.
Yeah.
What is the name of this female who had this long list that the man should fulfill?
2, 3 hour. Yeah, man, no mistake. We know the history, man.
Them say dance a yard before you dance abroad. And most dances you see abroad originate from yard. So which yard dance did Beyonce feature in her Ring the Alarm video?
Oh, man. Damn. Dirty wine. Yeah, man. Beyonce there fling around her head and hear a thing.
I might get whole heap of
Yeah,
stone
man.
for this, you know. They might bash me for that one, but I have to do it. There is a popular food chain in America that has a similar name to an artist whose government name is Miguel Orlando Collins. Hey.
But Miguel, a Sizzler.
Mr. Collins,
No Sizzler name, so. Sizzler name, so, you know. Sizzler Kalanji name, so.
Alright, here we go.
But I don't know that fast food chain there.
No feel no way about it. Make us step into round 3, renewed and invigorated, and make us see if we can grab the Magnum and crack to the hand. So this one is a giveaway. This one is just a geo question. Which dancer invented the dance WYKBD?
WYKBD.
Get this wrong now? Get this wrong.
So show me. Ja. WYKBD. Bogle dancer.
Dancehall music has had some iconic rhythm, some good instrumental. But here, I wonder if you don't know which producer produced the Showtime rhythm.
Dave? Where you go, so you know? Dave Kelly, man. Showtime with him.
A star. And sometimes people always say you're gone too far. Star. Spragga Benz released his 6th album in 2010. What was it called?
Whoa. Jano Spragga. Shatter Culture. Man, give me a little.
You know that is the voice of Merciless, right?
Yeah, man.
Me, I go on like me, a verseless, me not have a bass there. But Merciless, one of the biggest clash artists in the entire world. Yes, that I'm stage name. But which one I don't know? In government sanctioned name.
Leonard, something another man. I want to talk
Sound
about.
like it come from Clarendon, the truth.
Watch me now. Leonard. Merciless.
Bridging, yo. I'm proud of you same way. One stone lick but I never bust your head. It did not burst your head. You come out of that one, you're strong. Make them know all who did a bad mind and make them move. Hey, lower. Low him. Low the G. You hear that?
Love me. Yeah, man. It wasn't a bad vibe. Winnings, you know see that? Winnings. Yeah, yo. Magnum, what you know about dancehall? It's a nice little vibe. Yeah, man, it's a nice little vibe. So guess what? I go post, now watch the video now. So under the description and, you know, I go send on the link. All who want to go join in and play. It's a nice little vibe. And as Trippple X say, if you don't feel like you can take on the thing by yourself, grab a Magnum, grab a few friends, and take in the game, have a nice time. We out.